أشهد
أشهد
أن لا إله إلا الله.
Assalamualaikum Mas Bro, meet me again, Cecep Tomasati. Mas Bro, mau ngambil surat dulu nih Mas Bro. Oh, suratnya kayak gini Mas Bro. Dakwah adalah penyampaian, bukan penerimaan. What do you think if two sister on the same time become Muslim? Luar biasa sekali Mas Bro. One day America is gonna be Muslim country. Doakan kami di sini.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله
وأشهد أن محمدا
الله.
I bear witness
There is no deity worthy of worship.
But Allah.
Can you witness?
I bear witness,
you're gonna make me cry. And I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the last prophet
is the last prophet
of Allah.
of Allah.
تباركت ربنا وتعاليت فلك الحمد يا الله على ما قضيت ولك الشكر يا الله على ما أنعمت به وأوليت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك نستغفرك ونتوب إليك نستغفرك اللهم من كل ذنب وخطيئة ونتوب إليك.
Most of you, but you will, because you still believe in Moses and Jesus and all the prophets, but you complete this faith with the final message of God, with Muhammad. You believe in Muhammad and you believe in the oneness of God, right?
Yes.
So either any one of you can start, inshallah. I will repeat it in Arabic, and after Arabic I will say it in English. So can you repeat after me? Ashhadu
أشهد
anna
أن
la ilaha
لا إله
la ilaha
لا إله
illallah.
إلا الله.
I witness
I witness
there is no God
there is no God
but God.
but God.
Wa ashhadu
وأشهد
anna
أن
Muhammadan
محمد
Rasul
رسول
Allah.
الله.
And I witness
And I witness
Muhammad
Muhammad
is the last messenger of God.
is the last messenger of God.
And I believe
And I believe
Jesus,
Jesus,
the messenger of
the
God,
messenger of
and
God.
Moses, the messenger of God.
Moses, the messenger of God.
I believe in all the prophets,
I believe in all the prophets.
and I believe in the Christianity and Judaism and Islam.
I believe in Christianity, Judaism and Islam.
And Islam.
Yes.
May Allah accept it from you, sister. Barakallah. So, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Barakallah. Sister Mir.
Yes.
So this is Sister Jessica, which announced her Shahada now. And we have Sister Mir. Can you repeat after me, sister?
Yes.
You still feel nervous? Don't be nervous. So we all sharing the love in this moment. So and our sisters here to share it with you and all of us, inshallah. So say Ashhadu
أشهد
anna la ilaha
لا إله
illallah.
إلا الله.
I witness
I witness
there is no God
there is no God
but God.
but God.
There is no Allah but Allah. Wa ashhadu
وأشهد
anna
أن
Muhammadan
محمدا
Rasul
رسول
Allah. And I witness
I witness
Muhammad
Muhammad
is the last messenger of God.
is the last messenger of
And
God.
I believe in Jesus as a messenger.
And I believe in Jesus as the messenger.
And I believe in all the prophets,
And I believe in all the prophets
from Adam to Muhammad.
from Adam to Muhammad.
Congratulations, sisters.
Thank you.
May Allah accept. And you are very welcome. And I was telling one of the brothers, maybe you are the number 12 or more in the masjid. You convert or revert. So what we would like to do, we have to be in touch with our brothers and sisters. And this is for the sisters. Sisters, please be in touch with the sisters because they need your help. They need you to be with them, to give them guidance, to show them what is the priority they have to do it now than before or than after. So try, inshallah, and our brothers, maybe we have 8 brothers or more.
أنت القوي ونحن الضعفاء إليك أنت الغني ونحن الفقراء إليك اللهم اجعل القرآن العظيم ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا وجلاء أحزاننا وذهاب همومنا وغمومنا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم